What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video here. This is a different scenery, right? We've got my great friend right here, second father, Robert Arrington, another YouTuber. Deer Meat for Dinner is his channel. Of course, we got Jerry. This is Jerry Wolf.
What's going on, everyone?
These two guys right here know this river like the back of their ass. That was the wrong word. I meant back of your hand. I meant back of the hand.
I was wondering because the only way I can see mine is with a mirror, and I don't look in the mirror a lot.
They know this river very, very well. So we're in for a good treat of fishery here. Yeah. And then we have, of course, Baby Gil.
I know this river like the back of my ass. So I promise you, we're gonna catch him today.
This is Brenton Zeckleton. And yeah, he's a great friend of mine. I should have thrown him in the water. Anyway, today's gonna be fun. Got the GoPro on my chest. And yeah, hopefully we'll get into some action. What exactly are we targeting today, Robert?
Everything. Let me see the rod.
Yep.
No, you hold the real part. I hold the tip. If
okay.
it makes it do this,
yep,
we're after it.
Okay. Perfect example.
Very easy.
Enjoy.
I'd rather.
Dude, look at these houses, Cuffaros. I almost just fell in, I'm not gonna lie. Look at these houses. Oh my goodness. That would be so cool to have. I don't want a saltwater pond right there. I'd have a saltwater pond as my pool and have just baby sharks swimming in it. This water is brown, dude. Oh my goodness. Oh wait, yeah, whoa, whoa. You doing that on purpose? It's time to get to fishing.
We fished here before, we caught nothing.
Yeah, no, we did fish right there. Caught absolutely nothing.
Nothing.
But we're with Robert and Jerry. So hopefully these guys can put us on them.
I'm sure it's so windy right now, everybody.
They can hear. Don't do that. Don't ever do that again. What do you see, Robert?
Bait. That's what I see.
Sees bait. This man throws a real man's net. How big is that, 12?
Well, this is an easy net. So you want to be with the wind. So the wind is coming from the left or the right, and we see bait right there. See it? Right there?
Yep, I do see it.
Right there.
I can see him flicking. What is that?
Mullet.
That's a monster mullet.
Mullet. And we got some moharas. That's what we grew up catching and tarpon on back there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
We need bigger.
Hey, get over here. That's snook bait right there. That's a mullet. Right here. Come here, buddy. These.
That's a sand perch.
Sand perch. There you go. Come here, mullet. Look at that big old bait. Brenton, look, it looks just like you.
Yeah, the thing looks identical to me, actually. Wow.
There you go, give it a kiss.
This should literally be my mascot.
What's up, dude? There's a pelican hanging out right here next to the boat. He's waiting for you to catch more, Robert.
That's Jefferson?
Yeah, it's Jefferson.
Introduce you to Jefferson.
Holy smokes. Catfish.
Catfish.
You got a catfish.
I'm going to show y'all a difference between mullet. We have two different kinds of mullet in here. If they have stripes, they're black, or a black mullet. If they're just silver with a black tail, it's called a silver mullet. That's the silver, that's the black. But how do you know from looking from afar? Black mullet jump out of the water and silver mullets flick.
Aha! Come here. Come here.
Now that's Jefferson.
Oh, he's got fishing on his lap. We're gonna save Jefferson. Look at that hook right in his back. Oh wow. Jefferson.
You could tell when he was swimming up here. I've been doing this since I was a little kid.
Oh wow, he's got fishing line all up in him.
He's like, I really don't appreciate you catching me, but
There's one hook.
cut that right there. Right where my finger is. We just got that off Jefferson.
Is there any more line on him?
We're gonna find out.
I got the second hook.
Look at that, it was inside the pelican.
Easy, easy. Jefferson!
Jefferson!
Yeah.
Roam free, buddy. And a treat to go with it.
He got it.
Yeah. Wow. Jefferson! Everyone comment, Jefferson is a goat.
When a pelican is trying to hurry, he'll use his wings like this. And like that helps him. It's like us running like this. Well, whenever one is tied and he's swimming like this, you know that that wing has a hook in it. You named him Jefferson, and I saved him. Now let's go catch a big old fish.
Very athletic of you, Robert. Wow.
Here we go. Mullet head.
Launch her out.
Got another rod going out with a live shrimp on it. It's got a little weight. This will probably catch a catfish off rip. The boy's set right now, dude. That's a catfish.
How you know?
You just feel it.
What if it is a croaker or a small snook?
That'd be epic.
Or a catfish.
Called that one. These little canal rats. All right, buddy.
Otherwise it would not.
See you later, dude. It's like a lollipop out there getting sucked down by catfish.
Here he comes. It's a good fish.
Come on. There it goes. Jerry's on.
Catfish. I thought it was going to jump. Catfish.
No, nope. Snook.
Target.
Oh, it's a shark. It's the shark. It's the one we were looking for.
Oh my god. That's a bull shark. Give him slack. Give him slack. Give him slack. Ooh. Give him slack.
We got the shark we were looking for. This is what we came out here for, man.
Oh my god. Oh.
It's a baby bull shark.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, I've wanted to catch one of these for so long. Although I didn't catch it.
This same shark, if we break him off, we'll eat 5 minutes from now.
Oh, he's got a hook in his fin.
I don't know how he is not broke.
How is he not broke off?
Yeah.
Look at that. Wow. Yeah, dude, I've wanted to see this first. How long have you been searching for this thing?
That's a bull shark.
Look at the little teeth.
That right there is Darius.
Darius the bull shark.
Hey, this is Darius.
That's Darius.
You know?
Yeah.
This fish is called Darius.
That is Darius.
This is Darius.
I'm glad we had that
I
connection.
just got so confused. Robert, you're crazy, bro.
Well, just remember, I called it. Take out the chicken. I was halfway done with my piece of chicken, and I hooked what we came for.
Finished mine. Hey, we took the hook out of Jefferson. We're taking the fifth hook out of Darius. We're here to save the world. Now, drop a thumbs up, like the video, and subscribe because we saved Jefferson and Darius.
Get down.
Yeah!
I've wanted this for so long, dude.
I think you got your own on your line right now.
Oh, you asshole, you in. Oh, I would have pooped my pants, dude. That's a big old shark.
There he goes.
Darius.
Love you, brother. Hey, you guys, I've known this guy since he was a little kid.
Yeah?
I've known him since he had just a handful of subscribers.
One of my first
Jerry,
videos was out at his place.
Me and Jerry.
I have a handful of subscribers.
Well, after this video,
I can
you're gonna
say it.
have more. And doing stuff like this, it doesn't matter whether you're a YouTuber or someone I meet on the side of the street or the President of the United States. Like, coming back here and doing this is what we've done since we were little kids. And that's why I was just sitting there. I made peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
With a knife that he cut a mullet in half with.
Better than my finger.
That's
Hey,
nasty, man.
This is the life that we live. Now, I got one thing for you. You've caught Darius.
You're gonna throw me in.
Okay. Now, no, I'm not gonna throw you in. If I was gonna throw you in, it was gonna be with a shark.
Gotcha.
So, I love you.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. Nice and juicy. That was freaking sick. Oh, he just dropped it.
Let it go.
That was a shark. He just did that little.
That's bite.
That right there.
Go ahead.
That right there is. That's what's left of my bait. Was that a shark?
That was a shark.
This is the exact tree that I want to put next to my pond. Artificial one. Right there. Right behind the saltwater pond. Put artificial mangroves. I just wish I could bring the bull shark home, Robert.
That's a bunch of bull shark.
One day. You know, what's the size limit on them?
54.
54? How big do you think that one was?
28.
Probably about 28 inches. 54 inches it's got to be at least to bring it home, put it in your aquarium, and that thing would thrive. It would probably eat anything you threw in the water. It would be like my pigs outside, but in a tank. It's a bull shark. This is completely fresh water too, right? This is fresh. I could release my fish, the catfish, in here and they'd be fine. Dude, baby bull shark in an aquarium, telling you, that would be epic. This is a place we could literally make it happen. We'd probably have to make them their own pond. Literally their own dedicated pond. Smash the like button if you want to see something like that.
Smash it.
Just
There,
smash that.
just hit that thing. All in all, had a great time on the water today with great people. We did exactly what we wanted to do, and that was catch a baby bull shark. Mission accomplished, baby. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have yet to do so, make sure to go down below and click the subscribe button with the bell on so you don't miss any upcoming videos. We've got some bangers getting cooked up right now. Shark Pond soon to come. That's a fact. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.
Thinking straight.
Fishing with Robert.
It's like you're fishing with your brother's kids or something. That's gonna be good.
Oh, yeah. Yes! Get the f off the boat.